Top of the day to you folks. Today I have a 2023 Ford Explorer Timberline. Come check it out. This Timberline comes in carbonized gray metallic and is equipped with a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. Equipped with 18-inch black painted aluminum wheels. And for those parents who have iPad babies, this Timberline comes equipped with 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. That's not even the half of the cool features. Let's step inside. As we step inside, you'll see the deep Cypress ActiveX seats, as well as the tangerine accent stitching. This beauty is equipped with bucket seats, adaptive cruise control, as well as lane keep assist, which are two of the many safety features that come with this beautiful Timberline. As we come to the center stack, you'll see that it comes with navigation. In addition, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, which are two must-haves as winter is approaching. Another cool feature is the twin panel sunroof. If you or anybody you know would be interested in this beautiful Explorer Timberline, go ahead and stop down at 249 Mansfield Ave and ask for Jay.